harvest and eating same day. I really like it. Oh, so today I have a 30 fruit. Can you see that? Can you see that? What are you still waiting for? Please plant your own fig tree right behind your backyard. It is so easy to plant. Please just cut a stem, put it on the ground, and it will grow. Oh my. Well, nature has a way of feeding us. We just don't want to do the right thing. Start a garden today. Start a garden today. I'll go around and pick them and make sure that I share some with my neighbors because I can't finish it today. I just have to harvest them because they are ready for harvesting. Hello. Yes, we are about to start harvesting our fruits. Today is actually the 17th of October, and yesterday I couldn't harvest some fruit actually because I didn't have time. So today I will be harvesting 20 fruit. As I said before, this tree is already 3 years old. This is the third year. So if you see, you will see how big he has grown. You know, this is the third year. The first year we harvested 50 fruit. The second year we harvested about 75 or 80 like that. And this year I want to harvest about 150 fruit. Yes, in the spring we actually had 33 fruit that we harvested, and now is the summer period, and I'm looking forward to harvesting at least 150 fruit. So for the summer period, we've already harvested um, 33 fruit in the spring production and 10 fruit that I harvested on the 15th of October. So today I will harvest 20 so that we know that we've harvested 63 fruit. I just harvest 22 so that we know that we've harvested 65 fruit. I will be harvesting it on camera and also making sure that I count it on camera so that we actually know that there are certain indigenous practices like putting of banana peelings on the tree, eggshells, and potato peelings and onion peelings that will hasten our fruit to grow and get ripe before winter set in. So I'll be harvesting on camera. There are some that are falling on the ground because I always like my fruit to grow and get ripe on the tree so that I know that I'm harvesting fruit that are ready for eating. I'm the queen of harvest and eat. I don't know if you are seeing my face. 2, 3. We have 4. Look at this. Can you see the fruits? Can you see our fruits? Very big, healthy, and yummy. 4. I just pick it at random. 5, 6. Most of them have really grown big and ripe. Some have fallen, so I will check the ones that are falling. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have here 8. Yeah, also there are a lot. We have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes. I'm very happy because the fruits are really big. They are really big. I trick it with my grandmother style, that we used to do to help our mango tree grow faster. And they work so well. You see, 17, 18, 19. Oh, they are really ripe. Oh, please, I will just harvest 25. Yes, I have 25 fruits here. So I am happy I harvest more than because they are really ripe. They are really ripe. And I don't want any of my fruit to get bad on the tree. So I make sure I can harvest and enjoy them. So please, we all can plant and eat our own fruit from our own backyard. This is a tree that's just 3 years old. Oh, I will harvest some. Sorry. So many of them are ripe and I don't want it. 26, 27. I don't want them to get bad. I don't want to get bad on the 27, 28. Let me just make up to 30, 29, and 29, and one more, 30 fruits. These are 30 fruits. Can you see them? They are very yummy, and I saw some. Yes, I said it. Oh my God. Look at this one that fell on its own. Can you see how big it is? Yes, it is that easy to grow your own food and eat it. So let me open this one in front of the camera so that we see how it is. Woo! Can you see that? Can you see that? This is what I'm talking about. Let me eat it. Mm. Oh my God. Mm. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, nature is amazing. Nature is amazing. I told you people, I'm the queen of harvest and eat. I love harvesting and eating same day. Harvest and eating same day. I really like it. Oh. So today I have a 30 fruit. Can you see that? Can you see that? What are you still waiting for? Please plant your own fig tree right behind your backyard. It is so easy to plant. It is so easy to plant. Please just cut a stem, put it on the ground, and it will grow. Oh my. Well, nature has a way of feeding us. We just don't want to do the right thing. Start a garden today. Start a garden today. So I have a 30 for today. I can see one there, two, three. There are like 5 on the ground. I'll go around and pick them and make sure that I share some with my neighbors because I can't finish it today. I just have to harvest them because they are ready for harvesting, please. And I don't want them dropping on the ground all the time. So we've harvested 30 fruit today, adding to the 43 fruit we've already harvested. It means we have 73 fruits we've harvested this year. And if I pick this one down here, I think there are I can see like 3 or 4. Let's say we'll harvest 75 this year. So I'll try to harvest 75 more fruit on this tree to make sure I reach my estimate of 150 fruit to be harvested this year, 2027. And behold, this tree was planted on the 10th of April 2021. This is the 30th year, and we have this lot of fruit. We keep harvesting every day. I don't know why people go to the shop to buy fake fruits. I don't want why people go to the shop to buy things that they can grow on their own. Please, if you want to grow food, grow what you can eat because I love harvest and eating under the tree, and that's why I'm a tree woman. Um, I'm a passionate gardener. I'm a passionate planter. I love planting. I don't remember any time I've not planted in my life because my first tree was planted when I was 3 years old. It was a pear tree in front of our toilet in Africa. You know, in Africa, there will be the houses in front and the toilet behind. And I ate it and it was so yummy. And since then, I've been planting all through. Please, I don't want people to tell me, oh, I'm a blue-collar job. I'm an environmentalist by profession, but I'm a passionate gardener. And I show my passion in agriculture. That's something that is in my bloodstream. I didn't go to school to learn gardening. I didn't go to school to learn planting. I just plant, and that's why I always go organic because that's what I've been doing for ages, and that is actually what I love to do. Yes, I love farming. I love gardening. I love planting, and that's why I'm. Please kindly like, comment, share my video, That's the way you can support your girl. Yes, even though we work, please make sure you can plant something. You can plant. So if corona comes to that, I can survive from my backyard for some time. If there is war, I can even survive from my backyard because there's always something growing there. Please, I want everybody to start doing things like this. I'm encouraging anybody who have passion in agriculture. Please, let's keep planting. Let's keep planting. And one thing I do is that anytime when I harvest, I remove some of these yellow leaves. I get them away so that all the nutrients, they concentrate on my fruits. I get them away. These are the things that you too can do to make sure that you can grow trees and eat fruits, bigger fruits, ripe fruits. You see, I just throw everything down. You see, the fruits are actually falling on their own, but the good thing is that all of them are ripe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please like, comment, share your own opinion with us. Let us know your own tricks in making your own fruit to get ripe faster. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I have a lot of fruits here that I harvested. Can you see the fruit? We have them everywhere here. This is my harvest for today. I'm so happy to have harvested this much. Please, please do the right thing. Plant, 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 and let's keep harvesting. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.